Hi, welcome back to the Amoretti kitchen. Today I am going to make some strawberry champagne jello shots. I'm going to be using the Amoretti champagne liqueur concentrate. Let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is to hold these strawberries. I'm just going to cut the top off of these and then just cut the inside of it out so that you have enough room for the jello to go in there. And then we'll sit them in here. This is good for any party, picnic. It's a great little fun thing to do. And you could use any flavor in these, but we are using strawberry champagne today. It helps to get the bigger strawberries, obviously, so you have enough room to put your jello in there. Okay, now we're gonna make some jello. All right, so I have a cup of water here. Half of the water is in a little bowl, and that's where the champagne extract is going. So we'll put that in here. And then the other half a cup of water we're going to boil. All right, so this is boiling. Add this hot water to the jello. Then add the champagne extract and the extra water. Okay, so I'm just going to put this in here and see if I can do it without spilling too much. Well, not very good, but here. All right, so now we're going to fill our strawberries. Okay, so here's the hard part. Pouring this into the strawberries. So you want to try and keep it as even as you can. You put them in the egg crate, it'll keep them from falling over. And then these will go in the fridge for about 3 hours. All right, so here they are. They have chilled, and I've put some little stars on them, and I think that's super cute. So just put them in a plate. You could use any kind of sugar. I'm using little pearls. You could have any kind of decorations on these strawberries. They're great for parties. It's such a fun thing to do, and any holiday you can dress it up depending on what the holiday is. These are really fun champagne jello shots. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to the channel and our newsletter. We want to keep you updated on all our discounts, our promos, and of course our recipes. See you next time.